Android disconnected from service. Hello and welcome back to my channel Computer Do's and Don'ts. Today I want to discuss how to fix the mobile service disconnected message on Android phones. I have an old Samsung A01 TracFone which keeps disconnecting from my mobile service. I use a mobile service through TracFone. My mobile service keeps connecting and disconnecting continuously on a daily basis. You may have encountered the same problem on your Android phone. Let's explore some possible solutions to this problem. Check your SIM card status under Settings. When I click SIM card status, then check mobile network state, it says suspended. Other times it will say disconnected. Under service state it says out of service. That's the problem I am speaking of. The first thing to try is restart your phone. Restarting your phone will restart all services including mobile. Sometimes this will solve your problem. Another thing to try is taking out and reinstalling your SIM card. Maybe your SIM card is not making proper contact with its connectors. After reinstalling your SIM card, restart your phone and check your mobile network. Enable then disable airplane mode. This will force your mobile service to restart and may solve your problem. Try manually selecting a carrier under Connections, then Mobile Networks in Settings. Most Android phones are set to auto by default when connecting to mobile networks. Manually selecting your mobile network may solve the problem. Check your account status with your carrier. Make sure that it is paid up and active. Make sure that your phone's operating system is up to date. Check for any available software updates. Set software updates to auto in Settings. Resetting a phone to factory defaults, especially the network settings, often fixes a no-service problem. When you do this, be aware that the Wi-Fi and other connectivity passwords will be gone and you will have to configure those again. Apart from network settings, all phones have a number of cellular data settings that could cause problems. Changing a data setting and then changing it back again often fixes a problem. This also applies to the automatic carrier selection setting. A glitch in the wireless network roaming partner of your carrier can cause this when it gets you on board their network per their agreement with your carrier. Such problems are common worldwide. Users report that turning the voice roaming setting off and on again often resolves a no-service problem. If you are in a remote area where there are no cell phone towers nearby, you might get a no-service message. In this case, there is nothing wrong with the phone, but it won't work if there is not a strong enough signal available to work with. The same could happen at certain spots in buildings where the cell phone signal might be blocked. I suspect that a weak signal is the cause for my no-service problem. The reason why I think this because I had another phone which had similar connection problems. Instead of resetting your phone to its factory defaults, you can try just resetting your network settings. Resetting your network will force you to enter your Wi-Fi settings again, but it may solve your mobile connection problems. Finally, you may try updating your APN settings for your phone. Go to Settings and tap on Wireless and Network or Connections. Tap on Mobile Networks or Cellular Networks. Tap on Access Point Names or APNs. Tap on the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen and select Reset to Default or Reset Settings. Confirm your action and wait for the phone to apply the changes. Your carrier may be able to send your proper APN settings automatically to your phone. For example, TracFone was able to send me my APN settings directly to my phone. Inquire with our service provider about APN settings. Alas, after trying all of these possible solutions, I am still having mobile connection problems. Because I had similar problems with another phone, I have come to the conclusion that my problem is due to a weak signal. I live in a large apartment complex and the mobile signal may be being blocked or the towers that send the signal is too far away. But you may be able to solve your mobile connection problems by following the steps above. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next video.